Hey, this is Josh. I just wanted to make you aware of some free resources that I have available to you at my website. If you go to joshgwinn.com, you can see the URL up here. You can see that I have quite a number of checklists and additional resources that I mentioned in the course. So if you go to the homepage, I have a 19-step LinkedIn profile checklist. I have some more free resources, top 6 tools, 30-day business startup checklist, 10-day email course for LinkedIn that you can get. So anyway, if you want to go check out my website, if there was a resource that I mentioned in this course that you didn't see in the course, because Udemy has changed some things on how what they allow you to put in a course, just go to my website at joshgwinn.com and you can check it out. And you can also have a blog, so you can check out some additional some articles that I've written. And there's additional resources all through here. So anyway, if there's something you need specifically from me, certainly let me know. Shoot me a message or write a question in the discussion. I check all of those and I respond to all of them. So certainly if you need something from me, let me know. But check out my website and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.